Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable hotspot and share your mobile network on your OPPO Find X5 Pro, but it also works the same way on any OPPO X5 series like Lite or normal X5. So let's go to our settings. We need to go to connection and sharing, and from here we can either enable or disable our personal hotspot already, or press on a personal hotspot and we'll be able to further customize it. So the first option is personal hotspot, and here you can also enable it or disable it. If we enable it, we can see QR code, and if you press on it, you'll need to give the password for your phone and you'll be able to share this mobile network with this QR code. Now the next option is to go to Hotspot Settings, and from here you can customize the settings of your mobile hotspot. So let's change the name first. We'll call it Hard Reset Spot. Like that. You can change security certificate for this mobile network, and we're gonna choose the VPA 2 by VPA 3. Now the next option is password, and here you need to enter the password that will be at least 8 digits. So let's just do it simple with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the next option is AP band, and you can change it from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz, and it changes the speed, but if you increase to 5 it will increase the speed but decrease the maximum range of your hotspot, and if you change it back to 2x4 the speed will drop significantly but improve the range. Now the next option is visible to other devices, and if you disable it, your mobile network won't be visible on other devices' Wi-Fi network. And the next option is Wi-Fi 6 hotspot, and if you enable it, your hotspot will be significantly faster, but some older devices might not be able to connect to it. Let's disable that and go back. Now here you have connection management, and if you press on it you'll be able to see the block list. So here you can find all devices that you've blocked. You can change maximum allowed connections, so let's do it for 2, and you can use data restrictions, so the network will be restricted to a maximum amount of usage. So let's go for 1 GB for example. Now if we go back, we can see the devices connected. So right now there's 0, nothing is connected to our mobile hotspot. And here you can enable or disable automatic turn off for personal hotspot. So if there's no devices connected for 10 minutes, your mobile hotspot will be disabled automatically. Now let's try connecting our other phone to this mobile hotspot. So here's my second phone. Let's actually place it on that side because the light is too strong for it. Like that. And as you can see, I will go to Wi-Fi networks, and from here we're gonna go and enable our mobile hotspot. Now let's refresh the available networks. Actually, let's see if we enabled visible to other devices. Make sure it's that one is enabled if you want to connect. As you can see, I was already connected, so let's forget this network and try finding it right here. So it is right here. Let's press on it, enter the password which we just changed, and we're connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.